Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram photo access. So if I go from this plus icon and you can see I can't see anything here. So now all you need to do is just go back and go for your mobile settings, click on apps and notifications, go for Instagram, click on permissions. Now you have to just allow camera, okay, and parallel media, all things you have to just allow. So now all is done. Go back and go for again Instagram. Now if I go for here and you can see it's now showing. So that's it. This is how you can fix Instagram photo access. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.